REGENT Craft has achieved a significant milestone in maritime transportation with the unveiling of its first full-scale Seaglider prototype, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of coastal transportation. The revolutionary 12-passenger Viceroy Seaglider, dubbed Paladin, represents a breakthrough in maritime technology. With a 55-foot length and 65-foot wingspan, it stands as the largest all-electric flying machine ever created. The vessel's unique design enables 3 operational modes: floating on its hull, riding on hydrofoils above the waves, and flying in ground effect within 1 wingspan of the water's surface. Initial sea trials this month commenced in Narragansett Bay, Rhode Island, where REGENT test captains successfully conducted the first series of on-water tests with humans aboard. The trials follow extensive subsystem testing of critical components, including motors, batteries, electronics, mechanical systems, and vehicle control software. REGENT co-founder and CTO Mike Klinker described the maiden voyage as surreal, stating, "This was the first voyage of a vessel that is destined to transform mobility. The era of Seagliders has begun." The development of the Viceroy Seaglider has progressed rapidly since REGENT's founding in 2020. The company previously demonstrated success with a quarter-scale prototype in 2022, validating their innovative approach to wing in-ground craft technology. The Seaglider's design promises to deliver unprecedented efficiencies for coastal transportation, serving multiple purposes, including passenger travel, cargo transport, and emergency response. Market response has been overwhelmingly positive, with REGENT securing an impressive order book worth more than $9 billion across 6 continents, according to the company. Classification Society Bureau Veritas issued an approval in principle for the Viceroy in August 2022, marking an important milestone in the commercialization of Seagliders. With REGENT breaking ground on a 255,000-square-foot manufacturing facility in Rhode Island's Quonset Business Park, scheduled to begin operations in 2026. The company has also formed a joint venture with Abu Dhabi's Strategic Development Fund to establish manufacturing capabilities, maintenance services, and crew training in the UAE. The Viceroy Seaglider, capable of traveling at speeds up to 180 miles per hour, with a range of 180 miles on a single charge, represents a potential revolution in coastal mobility. The success of these initial trials positions REGENT at the forefront of sustainable maritime transportation, with the company planning to advance to the first human Seaglider flight by mid-2025.